While this video is primarily about my latest design, my beer can foamie, first a little background. I've been building and flying these things for some time now with a focus on 1, cheap and easy to build, 2, cheap and easy to repair, and 3, fun to fly. I can build or repair all my designs in a day or two. I use Dollar Tree foam board exclusively. I also have a focus on build for the crash, not the dash, since I seem to almost always eventually prang them. This foamie was designed around the idea of having landing gear. It's fun to take off, land, do touch and goes, that sort of thing. This one is about performance. As a twin, it has much more thrust than weight, a real performer. But all my foamies have one thing in common. I use a CNC router to manufacture most of the primary structural parts as seen here. Now back to my beer can foamie. And while I like to build my foamies with dihedral, I don't bother with creating wings with airfoils. The basic materials I use are the foam board shown, and for this model I used 3 24-ounce Coors beer cans, some 1/2-inch plastic cutting board and good quality 1/4-inch plywood, and a plastic serving tray. Some of the equipment I use are my Shapeco CNC router, my mini mill and lathe, my bandsaw sander. Now the build effort. First I cut the tops of each can, then I cut out the bottoms, then I manufactured a motor mount for can number 1 and assembled it. Test fitting all 3 cans. Using the CNC router, I manufactured mounts using the 1/2-inch plastic cutting board. This one is for the forward mount. Test fitting that mount. The cans are formed from 10,000ths soft aluminum, have very little strength. Sandwiching the mounts in this manner spread the load across a much larger area than, say, screws and nuts. Here the wing root mounts are secured to the cans where the cans overlap, helping to tie them together. Also, they provide a place to attach the outer wing supports and a place to secure the plate made from the serving tray for the battery and electronics. The outer wing supports fasten to the wing root mounts. This is the only place I use glue. The completed underside. Note the plate made from the plastic serving tray and the adjustable outer wing supports in case I need to move the CG. This structure slides into can number 3. It provides a strong structure for securing the vertical stabilizer. I used household clear corner guard as shown. I like to use the delta wing configuration. Very simple to build, and the low aspect ratio wing provides plenty of lift, but along with the closely coupled rudder, it allows for very tight turns.